Hey guys, it's Hamza with another crypto video. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, we discuss everything about cryptocurrency, tutorials, farming, Polygon, and Binance, discussing meme coins, and lately all we've been doing is farming. So today's tutorial is going to be how to transfer your Trust wallet from Trust wallet to MetaMask today. So with that, let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm gonna make this tutorial fast and simple. I know I hate watching long tutorials. So on the left hand side I have my phone, on the right hand side I have my window, my browser open. Now a lot of people use Google Chrome, other people for privacy use Brave browser. So I've never used Brave, but for this tutorial I'm gonna use Brave. So let's go to MetaMask and go. If you go right here to MetaMask, right, you can just Google it and go to the link, the first link, and what you want to do is hit download now. And after you download now, you download, you just hit the download button and you say install MetaMask for Brave. If you're using Chrome, it's gonna tell you install for Chrome. Anyways, so you're gonna add to Brave, right, and you're gonna add the extension. Now when it adds to the extension, it's gonna add right here, and it's the same thing for any browser, Google Chrome or Brave. You're just gonna hit this and you're gonna pin it, so it's gonna show up in here, right? So it's gonna tell you welcome to MetaMask, connected Ethereum and decentralized web. We're happy to see you. Just hit get started, and what we're gonna what we're gonna do is we're gonna import a wallet, because with Trust Wallet, right, you have created a wallet from the beginning. So let's just go right here to Trust Wallet. Okay, and I'm gonna create a whole new wallet. Now when you create a whole new wallet, all right, it says back up your wallet now. Right here it says back up your wallet. Please remember the 12 word phrase that they're gonna give you. That's very important for you to transfer the wallet to whatever wallet you want to transfer it to. So Trust Wallet is a wallet, MetaMask is another wallet. There's like hundreds of Ethereum wallets that you can transfer your wallet to, remembering this password. Okay, so this password is important. All right, if you lose this password, you lose your wallet. There's no way of getting that back up. There's no way for you to recover that. We're gonna hit continue, and there is your recovery phrase is 12 words, right? So you got nice, chronic, interest, all these words. All right, so we're gonna copy this. All right, we're gonna copy, and right here when you copy it, it's gonna tell you who to send that to. So we're gonna copy it, and I'm gonna send it to my Telegram so I can copy it really quick. So let me send it to my Telegram real quick, and I'm gonna delete it as soon as I post it here. People are gonna think it's my phrase, right? So I'm gonna copy it right here. Actually, let me see. Let me just copy it here. I'm not gonna even post it. So um, this is the 12 word that that's gonna get us the wallet, and I'm gonna delete it. Right, I'm gonna delete it so nobody thinks it's my wallet. So we're gonna hit import, and after you import it, you're gonna agree to all of this. MetaMask will you can read all the stuff. You hit I agree. Now you're gonna paste the words that we copied, right? So it's all these words, okay, from start to finish. With, you know, hold on, there it is. All right, so it starts with nice, chronic, interest, and it ends with wide. So that is the phrase. We're gonna hit continue right here, and it's gonna tell you right here to enter the recovery phrase again. So we're gonna do it again, right? So we're gonna do what was it, nice, and then we got image text wide, image text wide. All right, and we're gonna hit continue, and boom, right there I'm logged into my wallet. Now this is a whole new wallet, right? This is a whole new wallet right here. Okay, so we just hit receive. All right, so our wallet address is gonna be this one right here. It ends in 7902. That is gonna be your wallet address. And I'm sorry guys, I use MetaMask, but a lot of people are like, how do you mask? And a lot of people are like, how do you transfer from Trust Wallet to MetaMask? So this is why I came up with this tutorial. All right, all right. As you can see, the wallet address on Trust Wallet ends with 7902. The new password, you can set it up however you want. You know, it just has to be a minimum of 8 characters. As you can, and you guys do not share this password with anybody. All right, anybody you share this password, they got complete control of your wallet, and the password doesn't even matter because they can reset it. All right. After that, we're gonna hit import, and it's gonna say congratulations, and that's it. Your Trust Wallet is now on MetaMask, and you see the last 4 numbers is 7902. The last numbers right here are 7902, and you can access your wallet right here. Now it's on the Ethereum mainnet. If you want to add Binance chain, you can go to my other tutorials and see how you can add Binance right here, or Polygon. That's it, guys, for my tutorial. I'm sorry, guys, if it cuts off in the middle of the video. I'm gonna edit that out. But thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, hit the like button below. It's your boy Hamza Al Asfar, and Assalamu alaikum.